In this video, we have to find the Z parameter matrix for this two-port network. So this is a two-port network. This is 3 ohm resistance. This is a 6 ohm resistor. So this is a lattice network, and we have to find the Z parameter matrix for this two-port lattice network. It is question from GATE 2016 EC. So we can redraw this network. So this current is I1, this current is I2, this voltage is V1, this voltage is V2, this is 3 ohm, this is 6 ohm. Let this current be I. So the current flowing through this 6 ohm resistor is, so this I is flowing here, this I2 is flowing here, so this is I plus I2. And this I1 is flowing here. So the current flowing through here is I plus I2 minus I1. I plus I2 minus I1. So we can write the KVL equations in this way. So this is positive, negative and positive and negative. So 3 into I from here to here and from here. So plus 6 into I plus I2 minus I1 is equal to 0, because there are only two resistors. So we get 9I plus 6I2 minus 6I1 is equal to 0. So 9I is equal to 6I1 minus 6I2. So I will be equal to 2 by 3 I1 minus 2 by 3 I2. So this is the first equation. Now if you want to find write KVL for voltage V1, then you have to move from here to here to here back. So V1 equal to 3 into I, because V1 is across this 3 ohm resistor from here to here to here. So V1 is equal to, from equation 1, V1 is equal to 2 I1 minus 2 I2. So now Z11 is 1, Z11 is 2 and Z12 is minus 2. So if you see the options, then option A is correct option, because Z11 is 2 and Z12 is minus 2. In no other option Z11, Z12 is minus 2. But we can solve further also. So if we want to find for V2, so V2 is across this 6 ohm resistor. So V2 is equal to 6 of I plus I2 minus I1. Now I is 2 by 3 I1 minus 2 by 3 I2. So 2 by 3 I1 minus 2 by 3 I2 plus I2 minus I1. So if you solve it, you get 6 into 2 by 3 I1 minus I1. So minus of 1 by 3 I1. And I2 minus 2 by 3 I2. So 1 by 3 I2. So if you solve it, you get minus 2 I1 plus 2 I2. So V2 is equal to minus 2 I1 plus 2 I2. So Z21 is minus 2 and Z22 is plus 2. So again option A is correct. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you.